Welcome to my video about the easy lifestyle. Easy food for a living is about living simply, sustainably, and connected to nature. It can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. In this video, I'll share with you some of the benefits of primitive living and how you can get more experience from my video. Easy life is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by following things that we have and keeping it easy going. You can increase your chances of experiencing more happiness in your life. Look at his life. In this video, he just goes to the ocean to find some food down there, using his own hand to survive. He can find some snails in the ocean. There are several species of muddy snails that live in the ocean. These snails are all found in shallow water, typically no more than a few meters deep. They are an important part of the marine ecosystem, as they help to recycle nutrients and control populations of other organisms. He can cook snails with boiling water. This is a common way to prepare snails for dishes like easy meals. To boil snails, he just needs a pot of boiling water, a handful of salt, snails themselves. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also follow my Facebook page. I'll be back next day with another video. Thanks again for watching.